Why tempered glass is often the best choice. A home or building's glass doors and windows are among its most important security features. Thankfully, there are ways to strengthen glass doors and windows, which in turn increases safety and security. Tempered glass is one of the most often recommended options. Why is tempered glass better for windows and doors? Safety. In contrast to ordinary glass, which may cause serious injuries when shattered into large, sharp shards, tempered glass breaks into smaller, less dangerous pieces. Strength. The regulated cooling process guarantees the stresses distribute evenly, making the glass even more resistant to thermal stress and greater impact pressures. Scratch and damage resistant. Its extreme resistance against scratching makes tempered glass perfect for electrical gadgets, automotive applications, and high-traffic locations. Heat resistant. Tempered glass also keeps its shape even when heated, making it a dependable and long-lasting option for situations where heat resistance is critical. Aesthetic appeal. Because it lets light through without distorting it, tempered glass improves the appearance of buildings and gives them a more airy, spacious sense. Furthermore, designers can use tempered glass in varied designs, including frameless shower doors, thanks to its customizable nature. Here at Raben Glass, we excel at helping home and business owners enhance the security and safety of their properties. Give us a call today to learn more about the many benefits of tempered glass. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.